There are more to Telegram than just bots and massive group chats. Additionally, Telegram features a fantastic voice and video calling capability. Audio and video calls are supported by Telegram during one-on-one conversations. Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to make voice or video call on Telegram. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open your Telegram on your device. Tap on chat you want to make voice or video call with. Tap on the profile name or profile on the top left of your screen. Select either the voice or video call icon to make a call. There you go, the simple steps will show you how to make voice or video call on Telegram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.